In this assessment, we're asked to choose which is the more stable conjugate base and discuss all the features that help us make that decision. The first thing we notice for the two bases here, in one case we have a negative charge on oxygen, and in the other a negative charge on sulfur. We know that the sulfur is a larger atom, and we would rather have a negative charge or a lone pair on a larger atom. And so for that reason, that puts a vote in this side that this should be the more stable base. The other part of it, though, is that we have this trifluoromethyl group. And having this CF3 attached to the molecule, that's going to create an inductive withdrawing effect that's going to create a partial positive charge here, which is going to help stabilize that negative charge. Induction, if we were voting, induction is going to suggest that this molecule is the more stable base. Now, in a situation like this, probably what we're going to have to do is make our best guess and then look up the number to kind of reinforce this developing chemical intuition. We were asked, though, to make a decision. And I think what I'm going to lean towards is that the larger sulfur is going to be more important than the smaller oxygen stabilized by induction. And so my guess is that the more stable base is going to be this one.